Hi, viewers. Discover the secrets to a sting-free gardening experience. In this video, we'll unveil practical tips on how to navigate your garden without the buzz of bee stings. Stay tuned for essential insights that ensure both a thriving garden and a safe, enjoyable gardening journey. Let's dive in. Section 1. Understanding bee behavior in your garden. In this section, we'll unravel the mysteries of bee behavior and explore how these essential pollinators interact with gardeners. Understanding their habits is key to coexisting peacefully. Let's dive into the fascinating world of bee behavior. The importance of bees. Before we delve into behavior, it's crucial to grasp the vital role bees play in our ecosystem. Bees are primary pollinators, ensuring the reproduction of flowering plants. This process is fundamental to the production of fruits, vegetables, and seeds. Acknowledging their significance sets the foundation for a symbiotic relationship. Non-aggressive nature. Contrary to common misconceptions, most bees are not aggressive by nature. They are focused on collecting nectar and pollen, rather than seeking confrontation. Understanding this non-aggressive behavior helps dispel fears and fosters a more relaxed gardening experience. Communication among bees. Bees communicate with each other through intricate dance patterns and pheromones. Exploring this communication system offers insights into how they navigate your garden and coordinate their activities. It's a fascinating aspect of their behavior that enhances the overall garden ecosystem. Identifying different bee species. Not all bees are the same, and recognizing the various species is essential. From honeybees to bumblebees and solitary bees, each plays a unique role in pollination. Understanding their distinctions allows for a more nuanced approach to cohabitation. The role of queen bees. Delving into the hive dynamics, we'll explore the pivotal role of queen bees. Understanding their leadership and reproductive functions sheds light on the complex social structure within a bee colony. Bee-friendly practices. Lastly, we'll discuss practices that promote a bee-friendly environment. From avoiding the use of harmful pesticides to providing suitable nesting sites, adopting these practices not only ensures bee safety, but also contributes to a thriving garden. By gaining insights into the behavior of these buzzing pollinators, we pave the way for a more harmonious coexistence in our gardens. Stay tuned for the next section, where we'll unveil essential tips for creating a bee-friendly garden sanctuary. Section 2. Essential tips for bee-friendly gardening. In this section, we'll delve into crucial tips for creating a bee-friendly environment in your garden while ensuring your safety. Let's get started. Understanding bee behavior. Before we jump into the tips, it's essential to grasp the basics of bee behavior. Bees are vital pollinators, and most species are not aggressive if left undisturbed. Knowing how they operate in your garden is the first step to coexisting peacefully. Plant bee-friendly flora. One of the best ways to foster a bee-friendly garden is by planting flowers that bees love. Opt for a variety of blooming plants, such as lavender, sunflowers, and bee balm. These not only attract bees, but also contribute to a vibrant and colorful garden. Provide water sources. Bees, like any other creature, need water. Ensure a bee-friendly garden by incorporating a shallow water source. A small bird bath, or even a shallow dish with rocks for landing, can make a significant difference in keeping bees hydrated. Time your gardening activities. Be mindful of when you engage in gardening activities. Bees are most active during the day, so consider working in the early morning or late evening when they are less active. This reduces the chances of accidental encounters and stings. Wear appropriate clothing. When working in the garden, wear light-colored clothing and avoid dark floral patterns that might attract bees. Additionally, consider wearing long sleeves and pants to provide an extra layer of protection against accidental stings. Be mindful of nesting sites. Bees may have nests in the ground or in nearby structures. Be aware of potential nesting sites and take precautions when working around these areas. Understanding their habitats goes a long way in preventing unwanted interactions. Creating a bee-friendly garden doesn't mean compromising your safety. By implementing these essential tips, you can enjoy a thriving garden while fostering a harmonious relationship with these essential pollinators. Stay tuned for the next section, where we'll explore the fascinating world of beneficial insects in your garden. Section 3. Identifying beneficial insects in your garden. In this section, we'll embark on a journey to discover the unsung heroes of your garden beneficial insects. These little allies contribute to a balanced and thriving ecosystem, promoting plant health and reducing the need for harmful pesticides. Let's unravel the world of these garden defenders. Ladybugs. Natural pest controllers, ladybugs, with their distinctive spots, are not just charming, they're powerful predators. These beneficial insects feast on aphids, mites, and other harmful pests, acting as a natural pest control squad in your garden. Praying mantises. Masters of ambush, the elegant praying mantis is a stealthy predator, lying in wait for unsuspecting insects. With lightning-fast reflexes, they snatch up pests like caterpillars and flies, providing an effective method of biological pest control. Lacewings. Guardians of your plants, lacewings, with their delicate appearance, are formidable allies in your garden. Their larvae voraciously consume aphids, mealybugs, and other soft-bodied pests, offering a natural defense mechanism for your precious plants. Ground beetles. Soil protectors, often overlooked, ground beetles patrol the soil, preying on soil-dwelling pests like slugs, caterpillars, and cutworms. Their nocturnal activities make them an unseen but vital force in maintaining soil health. Hoverflies. Pollination partners, while resembling bees, hoverflies play a different yet equally crucial role. They contribute to pollination, aiding in the reproduction of flowering plants. Simultaneously, their larvae consume aphids, offering a dual benefit for your garden. Parasitic wasps. Precision pest control. Despite their ominous name, parasitic wasps are garden allies. They lay their eggs on or inside harmful pests, controlling their populations without causing harm to your plants. It's a fascinating example of nature's precision in pest management. By recognizing and appreciating these beneficial insects, you can cultivate a garden ecosystem that thrives on natural balance. Stay tuned for the next section, where we'll explore effective wildlife deterrents to protect both your garden and its valuable inhabitants. Section 4. Choosing safe wildlife deterrents for bee protection. Gardening enthusiasts. In this section, we'll tackle the important topic of safeguarding your garden and its buzzing inhabitants from potential threats. By selecting safe wildlife deterrents, you can strike a balance between protecting your plants and ensuring the well-being of essential pollinators like bees. Let's explore these effective measures. Natural repellents for unwanted wildlife. Start by considering natural repellents that discourage wildlife without causing harm. Options like neem oil, garlic spray, or even certain plants like marigolds can act as natural deterrents, creating a protective barrier around your garden. Mesh barriers for specific plants. For more targeted protection, use mesh barriers to shield specific plants from wildlife interference. This method allows your garden to flourish while preventing access to potential threats, ensuring both the safety of your plants and the well-being of visiting bees. Scare tactics, visual and auditory deterrents. Incorporate scare tactics to ward off larger wildlife. Visual deterrents like reflective objects or scarecrows disrupt unwanted visitors, while auditory deterrents like wind chimes or recorded predator calls create an environment that wildlife find less inviting. Companion planting for natural defense. Embrace the concept of companion planting, where certain plants are strategically placed to repel pests. For example, planting mint near susceptible crops can deter pests while maintaining a bee-friendly environment. Encourage natural predators. Harness the power of nature's own pest control by attracting natural predators. Birds, such as sparrows and robins, feed on insects and can help keep pest populations in check without posing a threat to your garden or its pollinators. Strategic garden layout. Consider the layout of your garden to minimize wildlife intrusion. Placing more vulnerable plants closer to your home or in well-monitored areas can help protect them, allowing bees to freely pollinate without encountering potential threats. Choosing safe wildlife deterrents is a thoughtful approach to protecting your garden while ensuring a thriving habitat for essential pollinators like bees. Stay tuned for the next section, where we'll unravel the top garden chores to tackle before November ends. Section 5. Handling Bee Stings. Quick Guide for Gardeners. Fellow gardeners. In this section, we'll address a common concern, bee stings, and equip you with a quick guide on how to handle them. While creating a bee-friendly garden, occasional stings may happen. Let's explore the best practices for a safe and enjoyable gardening experience. Remain calm and still. If a bee is near you, remain calm and still. Sudden movements can agitate the bee, increasing the likelihood of a sting. Stay composed, and the chances of a peaceful coexistence with the bee are significantly higher. Move slowly away from the area. If you find yourself in close proximity to bees and feel uncomfortable, move slowly away from the area. Avoid swatting or making sudden movements, as this can trigger defensive behavior from the bees. Remove the stinger. In the event of a sting, it's crucial to remove the stinger promptly. Use a tweezer or your fingernail to scrape it away without squeezing the venom sac. This helps minimize the amount of venom released into your skin. Wash the sting area. After removing the stinger, wash the sting area with mild soap and water to reduce the risk of infection. Applying a cold compress or ice pack can help alleviate pain and swelling. Use over-the-counter remedies. Over-the-counter remedies like antihistamines or hydrocortisone cream can provide relief from itching and inflammation. Consult with a healthcare professional if you have concerns about allergic reactions. Monitor for allergic reactions. For individuals who may be allergic to bee stings, it's essential to monitor for signs of a severe reaction, such as difficulty breathing, swelling of the face or throat, or a rapid heartbeat. Seek emergency medical attention if any of these symptoms occur. Prevention strategies. To minimize the risk of bee stings, consider wearing protective clothing, especially when working closely with plants that attract bees. Long sleeves, pants, and a hat provide an extra layer of protection. While bee stings are a potential aspect of gardening, handling them with composure and following these guidelines can ensure a safe and enjoyable gardening experience. Stay tuned for more insights on creating a garden sanctuary that's both bee-friendly and gardener-friendly. Conclusion: as we wrap up our exploration of creating a bee-friendly garden, it's evident that fostering a harmonious relationship with these essential pollinators enhances not only the vibrancy of your garden, but also your overall gardening experience. From understanding bee behavior to identifying beneficial insects, implementing safe wildlife deterrents, and knowing how to handle bee stings, each aspect contributes to a balanced and thriving ecosystem. Remember, a bee-friendly garden is not just about protecting your plants, it's about coexisting with nature's diligent workers. By incorporating these insights, you're not only nurturing your garden, but also contributing to the well-being of these vital pollinators. Happy gardening, and may your blooms be abundant and your interactions with bees be harmonious.